My goodness! I'm so glad you're here today. We are going to have so much fun with this cool sand and some of my favorite PAW Patrol characters. Wow, look how soft it is. I love kinetic sand. Do you like kinetic sand? Should we see what's inside? Let's check it out. Okay, I see someone here. Who do you think it is? Wow, it's Everest. Everest is a husky and loves the snow. She's awesome. I love her teal and purple colors. She's such a cute pup. Now we all know this pup. It's Marshall. Marshall is a Dalmatian and is always sporting red outfits because he's a firefighter pup. He's silly and clumsy, but he's special. Oh my goodness! We all know Skye. She may be one of the smallest pups, but she's super brave. I love her pink aviator outfit. And Chase, our favorite police pup. I guess he's the first pup rider ever found. At least that's what I saw in the movie. Is that right, guys? Let me know what you think. We got all of our pups out of the kinetic sand. Now let's see about these colored circles here. But first, I want to cut some of this sand up to make it softer. Did you know you can use scissors to cut up kinetic sand to make it soft? Just make sure you ask a parent for help if you need to. Look how much softer and fluffier this looks. Wow, I love how soft it is. Kinetic sand is one of my favorite things to play with. There's so much you can do with it. Next time we'll be using a different colored sand. What color do you guys want to see? All right, it's time to see what these colored circles are for. Wow, there's a green diamond in here. And look, it matches our green circle. I wonder what's inside. Ew, there's a black spider in here. I don't think our pups want this black spider. Wow, look, it's a blue cube. Let's put it on our blue circle. Don't you love that sound? I wonder what's inside. Wow, it's a yellow diamond. It's so shiny. Let's put it on our yellow circle. Okay, we have one circle left. I wonder what purple item we'll find. Wow, that's so cool. Look at this, guys. It's a tiny purple flashlight. That's so cute. Let's put it on our purple circle. Okay, pups. We found a matching color item for each circle. Let's have Everest go first. Ooh, the purple circle. And I feel like Chase would choose the green circle. Now Skye gets either the yellow or the blue. And I'm curious what you'd choose for her. And I feel like she'd like the yellow, which means Marshall gets the blue circle. Perfect for Marshall, because it's blue for water. Oh my gosh, I love your vehicle, Everest. What kind of vehicle do you think this is? Let's put her special item in it too. Okay, I love Chase's blue airplane. It's so cool. I wonder if they'll ever make a PAW Patrol movie with him flying it. I love how the lights light up with the cool sound. Let's put a special item in with him. Okay, next we have Skye, our little sky pup who loves to fly in the sky. During the second PAW Patrol movie, we saw her fly and I loved it. Her helicopter is so cute. Let's put her inside and put her special item in with her. Hey, our last pup is Marshall. I don't know about you guys, but I love Marshall. He's silly and clumsy, but he's such a good pup. And his fire trucks are awesome. Let's put him inside his fire truck. And put his special item with him. Maybe let's put it in the back instead. Wow, pups! You are all looking amazing in your vehicles. What do you guys think? Okay, remember when I said I love kinetic sand? Well, we're not done with it yet. We got some items hidden in here, and I have a feeling they're going to go with our circles. Let's see what we can find. We've got some tools to help us today. Thanks, KiwiCo. Oh my gosh! I see something blue, and I think you know who it is. Bluey! What are you doing in there, Bluey? Okay, I see something green, with some cream color too. Let's see what it is. Oh, I love it. It's a cute little green mushroom with the cutest face. Okay, I see something over here, and I'm not sure what it is. What do you think it is? Oh, wow! It's a yellow cube just like our blue cube from earlier. Cool! You guys, I think I found something purple. I was wondering if we'd find something purple. It looks big. Is that... Wow, it is! It's a big purple diamond! Okay, I saw this blue piece before. Let's see what it is. It looks like... Oh my goodness! It's Derpy Tiger from K-Pop Demon Hunters. And look! It totally spins! That one's probably my favorite. I love Derpy. Who's your favorite K-Pop Demon Hunter character? I hope we find something green this time. Look! I was totally right. It's pretty big. No wonder. It's a big caterpillar. That's pretty cool. Have you ever seen a caterpillar in real life? Okay, we're still missing something purple and something yellow. Which one do you think we'll find? Oh, but I see something yellow. Wait, is that? It is! Rubble! What are you doing in there? Silly pup! Okay, our last color is purple. Let's dig through here. I'm not seeing it yet. I wonder what it'll be. Do you guys like the color purple? Oh, wait. I see it. Wow. It's a purple dinosaur. Look how cute it is. Look at all of the cool stuff we found today. Did you know you can play something similar? Make some circles out of different colors and go looking for toys that match the colors. Thanks for visiting our channel today. Don't forget to subscribe.